Kudingeke ukuthi ithi ukuguqa inkantolo yemantshi eVerulam njengoba abalisa abasolwa ngokubulala umfanyana waseHambanathi oThongathi uAndile Mbuthu bebekhala ngokuthi abakaze bakuthi mbibi ukudla namhlanje yilokhu bekugcine izolo. Leli icala lizoqhubeka namhlanje ntambama.
Umshushiso omkhulu kuleli icala uthi kuvamisile ukuthi abasolwa babhekene namacala abucayi njengaleli bakhale ngokuthi kukhona ukuhlukumezeka abakuthola kojele.
This complaint often crops up, and 110% of the time when SABC members and members of the Department of Correctional Services come, they address the court that there is always food available.
This particular instance, you know,
I can't address. I suggest that this issue be parked and that the court orderlies perhaps inquire from the prison and they send somebody to address the worship as to what the situation is.
Imantshi esingethe leli icala ithi kuphambene nomthetho ukuthi ababangalelwa bancishwe ukudla yase icacisa ke ngokuzolandela.
It's not an acceptable situation. Let's stand the matter down. That if they have not received meals, then I'm going to leave it to the persons in charge of the grows and dealing with the applicants that I've fought to ensure that meals are provided to them.
Lo mfana oneminyaka e16 ubudala waseOthongathi kubikwa ukuthi wayesolwa ngokwebutshwala endaweni yokucima ukoma. Le nkantolo izoqhubeka nomsebenzi wayo ntambama uma ngabe abasolwa sebenikiwe ukudla. Ngukhalvin Dludla weindaba zeSABC.